Hello cute children, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a pizza. So we have to start from here. Okay, but actually we have to start from today. We're gonna start with the colors like I show you here. So yep. So I will make a I have taken first of all orange. Okay, for orange you have to draw it like here. Okay, then you have to take a center from here and you have to meet these points. Come down and meet this point. One. Okay, and the other one is the same. Come down and meet this point. Okay, it's amazing. So now what's the next part? It's okay, one more. It's the it's the base of the pizza, and we have to take this side, thick side, like we have to draw it like that, no problem. Okay, you can draw it like that, and you can fill it the hole as well, no problem. But okay, so I have filled it. So now it's done. I have here red color for making a paprika and the vegetables and salami. So I have to put it here red with red. Okay, so with red I have it, this one, and here as well, tomatoes like that. Here small tomato. Okay, so I fill it, and so yuppie, it's ready. But here it's white part as well. Okay, this okay. So what is missing here? Okay. So now it's it's turned to be a sauce, like not to be a. We have to put a sausages here like that, and you can fill it. It can be rough as well, no problem. Okay. So now what is missing? Like always we made a smiley face. So it's smiley face. First we have to draw eyes, black eyes. Okay, one, and the parallel here one as well. Okay, it's small. It should be little bit big. Okay, now it's time to make a smiley face. Chupu. Dun dun. Okay, so now what's missing more? Okay, more, it's hands. One, two. It's leg. It's leg. Okay, we have to make a shoe. One this side. Okay, fill it and make a fingers. Three fingers. Okay, so now the main part. I think it's more little. I have to be okay. It's big now. Okay, it's okay. So now I have to try it inside. Then I will meet you after color inside. And now I am using yellow for making a cheese. Okay, then I color it. Then I meet it with you. So, yuppie, children's, our pizza is not almost, it's almost done. Yeah, So then it's almost finished. So now the main thing is that you have to fun while drawing. Okay, if you don't have the colors, like for outline you can use black and then you can fill inside, no problem. But please subscribe my channel for more videos, for more enjoyment. This is the main aim of mine for you. So take care, bye bye, until the next video.